सबसे पहले तो फिग्मा कैसे खोलूँ मैं, दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन। वेट अ सेकंड। ओके, अनटाइटल्ड ये तो मेरा खुद का है। Oh wait, I'm supposed to talk in English. My apologies. Uh, Screen share. Open in Figma. Oh, screen is not started. Okay, it is started. Good progress. Mm, okay, so finally the stream is started. Watch together. Okay, let's watch together. Okay, so we are going to watch something together. That will be very interesting. Okay, so we are watching some quick notes. Oh wait, I was supposed to click on that. My bad. View host controls. Okay. If I will search crazy developer, will that work? Almost works here. Crazy developer live. That didn't work. That's. Am I even live streaming? Okay, I am. That's interesting. Anyways, how do I get my live stream URL? Copy the URL. Go there. Paste it. Now, why the fuck I am sharing? Allow everyone to edit the playlist. Make host. Back to video. Got it. Leave activity. Okay, my bad. All right. So let's get the work started. Now, first of all, I will open my live stream. Okay, I don't need to do that. My bad. So what do I do next? I have a folder called course bot. That's the best name I can think of. If you want me to be a bit more creative, then I can call it course bot with a K. Okay, so my creativity was accepted. That's very good to know. Now the next question is landing page. So get started, Mr. Designer. Looking forward to copying your Figma designs. How do I open Figma again? Okay. Will I get a copyright strike if I watch anime on a live stream? Probably I will. So let's leave that. Top it with audio. Interesting. Okay, so I can see Prashant improvement. All right, I'm back. Not now. Okay. How do I edit that? Let's get started. All right, I'm back part two. So let's get started. All right, I'm back part three. Let's hope this time I will not go away again. Oh, navigation bar, Omoshiro. Okay, meanwhile, I will just set up a simple Discord bot. Should I make it in TypeScript or JavaScript? Let's see. Probably not the best way to continue a conversation in a Figma, but better than nothing. Okay, so Mr. P is replying in Discord. Okay, let me delete my thing as well. You can talk whenever you can, though. Ooh, okay, that sounds good. Meanwhile, let me just try to get some YouTube viewers so I can actually farm some watch time while doing this thing. So give me a minute. 1 minute would be enough. Crazy developer announcement. Announcement. Social media update. Suggest me what to do. And there we go. Nice. Goku versus Naruto. Good question. JS or DS or what? I will assume that it is the title of the website, but okay. Good start. I guess JS will be better. Okay, JS is better, then we will use JS. Let me copy my beautiful template. Totally no bias. Paste, enter, boom. So our JS template is started, and welcome everybody to the live stream. Many big projects are switching back to JS from TS. Why? Maybe they are too weak to write the types, or maybe they have something better in JavaScript. Anyways, let's see. I have a comment section, I have an event, I have blah blah blah. Who cares? NPMI. Okay. Oh, article. I mean, TypeScript is kind of good because we can define all the types, so things are a bit typed. But JavaScript is more flexible and easier. I mean, it depends, right? If you want flexibility, you use JavaScript. If you want type and whatever, then you use TypeScript or a cool language like Java, Rust, or whatnot. Who gets too complex? I will use JavaScript. Opinion accepted. Now, first of all, let me copy your user ID and send it to a mass report bot, and then index.js. I think, do we need a backend server for this? Let me think. We will likely not need it, but I will still make a simple okay get request with Fastify. Express is fine. All right. After that, yo Devansh, what is up? How's it going? Let me change it to live chat, by the way. All right. So let's see. Now I will start by making a GitHub repo, I guess. Let me do that real quick. Course bot. That's a very beautiful name. Now GitHub/new. I will call it course bot. Course bot. Make it private. Create repository. And then I need to copy that. Get init. Get remote. Add origin. Boom. Now I need to invite the P guy. Of course, I don't know his GitHub username, so I might need to copy it from his profile if it have it. GitHub password confirm. I guess I cannot see the connections in the whatever mode I am on. That's very interesting. Give GitHub username. All right. Anyways, let's get back to Figma and see what is the progress. So we have a nice gray navigation bar with nice white header and a very nice and smooth plain white background. So of course I'm not a good designer, but I will still try to mess it up and try to change some colors. Let's see how it goes. Desktop 1. Oh, now we have some colors. Okay, that's progress. So we have the P as the GitHub username. So let's invite him real quick. Badhiya, aap batao. Very good, very good. You are badhiya. I am also badhiya. And today I am doing some very cool, amazing $1 trillion project with Mr. P. And soon I will be so rich that I will hire 10 people to make YouTube videos on this YouTube channel. Absolutely. No jokes. Anyways, let me invite the P and add the person to the repository. And what do I do next? Oh yeah, now I will actually, okay, let's try to be a bit more cool, all right? So first of all, I will make a little commit. I will call it feed base or bot template. Let me see if I can add or remove something. It's looking perfect. The env example is looking perfect. Let me test something. All right, perfect. Anyways, let me commit that. Git push origin. Okay, I will need to do this as well. Copy, paste, enter. Now I have the git push done. That's perfect. Let's go to code, and we have the code perfect. Now I will create an issue, and the issue will be, let me think of a nice name. What should I call it? How can I add K in issue? Let's think about it. Let me ask my boy Bard. He's very smart. So don't mind the derivative of fx. I'm learning math. A bit late, but I'm doing it. So what was I supposed to ask? Let me think. How can I add K in issue? Like course instead of course, etc. Let's see what my boy Bard will say. I really hope it won't be a issue or something, but let's see. I trust him more than I trust myself. Why the hell do we have a code for this thing? Brother, you just need to make a nice word replacement for issue which includes K. Sometimes Bard is a bit too smart and that's not good, so we need to explain him that you have to be a bit dumber. All right, so I am having something like this. Course will turn into course, crazy will turn into crazy, etc. Let's see what will he do now. Please don't disappoint me, Bart. Please don't make me use ChatGPT. This guy is so dumb. Why are you making a poem? The K word is coolest word. It is the kindest word you have heard. It is the word that makes you smile. It is the word that goes the extra mile. So, oh, let me just copy this thing. This is very nice. As you can see, I'm already distracted, but that's fine. Let me just ping everyone I can see. Where is it? Crazy God. All right, let's get back to work. So where were we? Let me just use some kind of thing which can sing it for me. Sing the text online. Let's see, do we have something like that? Text to speech. Okay. I hope I don't need to log in or something. Singing text to speech, blah blah blah. How do I use it? Singing voice generator. Please enter your text. Or I don't want to log in. David, I want a girl will be a better option. Real people. I want musician, please. Legendary Paul, blah blah blah. Do we have a free option here? I don't really know. Arjit Singh, what the fuck? Anyways, let's use Barbara and I will log in with Google. What the fuck is keyword? I don't know. Let's see. So I will need to paste that again. Please stop asking for money. Convert.
The K word is the coolest word. It's the kindest word you've heard. It's the word that makes you smile, and it goes the extra mile.
Oh.
So let's all use the K word and spread some.
This is VIP. Let's see. Do we have anything free here? Anything free? Anything free? Come on. Anything free, man? I hate you. Nothing is free. Okay, we have a thing called emotion. That might work. Nothing is free. Everything is paid. At least I have Barbara. I will use her. Let's see how this goes.
The K word is the coolest word. It's the kindest word you've heard. It's the word that makes you smile, and it goes the extra mile. So let's all use the K word and spread some joy around the world. For the K word is a gift, and it's all ours to lift.
Nice. Very beautiful. Anyways, that's good enough. Time to make a really nice issue. Let's think about it. So I can just have K issue and K is silent. Or maybe let me just call it to do that will be done. Okay. So what do we need in our bot or in everything? Let's think about it. First of all, we need what do we need now? Let's think about it. Hashtag to do list. Then subheading will be something like a Discord bot and a landing page. Do we need anything else apart from these two? I don't think so. So in the landing page, first thing that we will need is, of course, what the hell? A design on Figma that is being done right now. So we have some random cool shapes. I don't know what any of that means. I'm not a designer. There is someone smart who is doing that. None of my business. Then we need to code in HTML / React / whatever. That part I can do. If he will do it, then it's even better. I will need to do nothing. That sounds good. After that, we need a wait list section. Now this section will have some sub parts. Why the hell I cannot use tab? That's very dumb, but that's not a problem. So first of all, we need an option to input the mail or Discord ID or whatever. After that, what do we need to do? We need to save info in DB and somehow easily view it. Probably I will do it in the Discord bot. Who cares? So I will just put save info in DB. So what else do we need? Let's think about it. We have a waitlist section. User can input, user can save info. And I will also add something like view their position in the waitlist. That will be very cool to code. Amazing. All right. Now, after Discord bot, I will also make something called backend. Well, it is actually a part of Discord bot, but I will just do that. So first section here is waitlist. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Save info. After that, we have display user waitlist info. All right. Then I will need a waitlist section in here as well. Let me just paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be what? Show list, show waitlist. Edit it. That should be good enough. So now we have our first thing done. We have our design part. Then we have to code it in HTML. Then we need a waitlist section in which user can input the stuff. They can, then it will be saved and they can view their position. For that we have our backend server, and for viewing and editing it, like the admin control, we have Discord bot. Sounds very perfect to me. Learn at your own pace in comfort of your Discord server. Man, this guy is a designer. Amazing. All right. So let's see, what do we need after that? That's a good question. We have a to-do list, landing page, Discord bot, backend. Now we have waitlist section. What do we need after that? That's a very good question, man. Let's think. Oh wait, let me check my live chat as well. Okay, nobody's there. That's very depressing. Please help me from dying, humans. All right. What do we need in the bot? So we actually need a course bot, of course. I forgot. Let me just write those things down. Sure, okay. Paste. Okay. So after waitlist, I need something for. I will need a viewer section, and I will also need a creator section. All right. Viewer and creator. I will call it viewer panel and creator panel. We will also need an admin panel, to be honest. I will call it owner panel for now. So in the viewer panel, what do we need to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in a viewer panel, first of all, we need the ability to browse, search. We need a home page to view latest, hot, promoted courses. After that, we need the ability to buy free or paid course. Then we need the ability to actually interact with a course. Interact with a course. Nice. After that, we need the creator panel. In the creator panel, let's see, what do we need? Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the creator panel, we will need something like anti-depression pills, and that's very interesting. First of all, we will need a command to create, edit, delete. Let me mute myself. All right. I am back, part 4. Creator panel, create, edit, delete course information /list own course information. After that, we need ability to create pages in a course. It will be pretty much a embed builder. Then we will need a ability to connect / make a map of these pages in our course. We will need a ability to create quizzes and integrate them in the map above. We will need a way to actually make different map for free and paid user. And in the viewer panel, we will also need an option like, let me think about an option like view score and completion rate. All right. And of course, we will need to give them an ability to give rating. We will make it something like either you buy it, or if it is paid, then you need to finish at least 50% before you can give rating. Something like that. Now let's see what is next. We have a viewer panel, we have a creator panel, we have what do we need? Let's think about it. We need analytics page. What else do we need? In the owner panel, first of all, we will need a analytic page, of course. That's an obvious thing. Let me copy paste that. So we need an analytic page for, let's think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, we will need one for creators, then one for courses, then one for viewers. After analytic page, we will need a admin control that will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Edit, delete, course, edit, delete, creator, or ban / unban something, whitelist servers. That should be it. So we have an analytics page, we have an admin control, edit, delete / list. We need to list as well. So this should be a decent list, right? Let me just send it to Mr. P and see what he thinks. Let's see. What do you think? And let's get back to chat. If okay, nobody is there. That's so depressing. Should have. Okay. Learn at your own pace, in comfort of your own something. There is a gray box. Why? Maybe he will write something inside. I don't know. We have some ellipse. We have a green and orange and yellow color. Omoshiroi. I think he do not. Oh wait, he can listen to me. My bad. All right, I will let him do his thing. Meanwhile, I will think more of the to-do list. Okay, let's see. So let's recap. We have a landing page, so we are doing a design. Then we will do the coding in HTML, and then we will have a waitlist part in which user can input the information. Then it will be saved. Then they can view it. We can view it. We can edit it. Blah blah blah. Now in the Discord bot, of course, we need a ability to whitelist servers. We need ability to edit or delete any user or any course or ban them. All right. After that, in the analytics page, we can get analytics on how many creators we have, when they signed up, how many courses they have, blah blah blah, revenue and whatnot. After that, we have the viewer panel. A viewer should be able to view the courses. They should be able to search for them. They should be able to browse them freely, latest, hot, whatever. Or after that, they can view a course information, like this is the title, this is the description of the course, this is the image, blah blah blah, and then ability to buy it. If it is free, it will be instantly added to their my courses page. And if it is paid, they do the payment, we verify it, bam. We will need to think of a payment method. That is going to be painful. Let me add that. payment method. So let's see. In the payment method, let's think about it. Stripe slash PayPal. Most likely Stripe, because in PayPal we cannot use the balance, and I know that in Stripe I can automatically transfer the money from one customer ID to another. Or we might need to add both of these. This is so painful. Creator can choose the preferred method and give us their API key for PayPal or custom or user ID for Stripe. Or maybe a API key for Stripe as well. Looks good. That's good to know. That's good to hear, maybe. I don't know. My English is bad. After that, uh, nothing is after that. So you pretty much use the buy the course, and then for interacting, they can interact with it. Blah blah blah. They can interact. They can read it, or they can interact with the course. Easy. Now, a creator should be able to check what courses they have added the information or delete one, list them, and after that they have the ability to create pages, connect them, blah blah blah, and then they have the ability to create quizzes, and at the end they have the map thing, the connection thing. They can connect the quiz, connect the page, whatever. One connection is for free mode, one is for paid mode. If they don't add any connection for paid mode, then paid mode doesn't exist. If they do, they also need to set the price. Easy, easy. And we have two concurrent viewers. Okay, now we have one. That's very tragic. This is the best I can think of for now, so I will just submit this new issue, and I will assign it to myself and Deeper Shah, the P. Okay, I cannot see him, so probably he didn't accept the invite yet. That's very sad to know. Uh, uh, and then we have milestones. I don't really remember what that is. Create a branch for this issue. Bullshit. Lock conversation. Pin issue. Transfer issue. What is that? I can transfer it to a different repository. That's very cool. All right. Accept GitHub invite. When? Let's get back to Figma. Oh, that's a join waitlist button. Oh, smart boy. Okay, so pretty much the design is done. That was fast. Okay. Hmm. Nice. Now we need to make a mobile version, I guess. Let me try to do that real quick. I will copy this, and then I will rename it. How do I rename this thing? Rename mobile. And how do I do that? That's very easy. First of all, I will need to make it a mobile. Nice, nice. I will delete that. I will put it here. I will need to send. How do I center the text? That's how we do it. Nice. And then I need to edit the sizing somehow. I might need to add some padding. I don't know, man. And then we need this here. Decrease the size. Easy. Let me increase the width. Let me put that here. All right. I guess I messed up his design a bit, so I really hope I will not get fired, but let's see. That is something. I think I should start designing. Indeed. Totally a good designer I am. Let me just copy these things. How do I select multiple at once? Control click? Yes, sir. And then I can just What the hell? How do I decrease the size? Like that. Put it there. Then I need to decrease the size of this thing. How do I check the width? Okay, width is, I think 450 pixel is good for mobile, right? What is a good size for mobile CSS? Good maximum width size for mobile CSS. 480 pixel. Okay. Okay, I was close. 478. That's fine. Now let me just center everything and then I'm done. Man, I can be a designer. Ooh, I never knew of this talent. I bet. I should have thought about it. Let me just select these there and boom, that there. Join the waitlist can be at the very bottom. This thing goes there. Email input. Let me put that in the nice. Let me increase the size of the box as well. I don't really think I should be doing this because this is something Prashant, the Mr. P is better at, but it's cool. Centered. Okay, perfect. Oh, so we can. Oh, my bad. All right. The खुद की तारीफ. Totally not a lie, man. Look at this beautiful design. Totally not weird. Totally not awkward. Totally makes sense, right? And this is so ugly. But nobody will know. Okay, this is a bit better. How do I center this? Okay, it is centered now. Nice. I don't really like this here, to be honest. I will just hide these for now. And I will also log these for now. So I can just put it there. This is better. This is improvement. Let me copy, paste, put it there. Nice. All right, let's get back to the to-do list. Where is Mr. I have to use Figma for sure. Yeah, it is very cool. I mean, Figma is quite cool, but of course, I prefer something else called MS Paint. But still, I will need to agree that Figma has some cool stuff. By the way, read manga, it's very fun. Anyways, go just make the head of the email. Oh, okay. Let's do that. Email input box. It can go away. And we are probably done. I am hired, guys. I am not very sure how to vertical align this text inside it. Center, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Looks good to me. All right. Let's get back to, where was I? Code spot, yes, sir. Oh, by the way, flame. Want to start something? Wanna do something cool? Right, now let's wait. Oh, he said Okay, so let me pitch something. Do you have by start something? I mean, like anything. Like I'm thinking to make this random cool bot with Mr. P. I totally didn't give away his name earlier. So my first plan is to make something cool with him, and meanwhile I try to do some Fiverr slavery, and meanwhile I try to do some math, So why not? Meanwhile, I try to make something cool with you as well, and then I will try to ask Topic to do. Topic is a real human, by the way, to make something cool with me as well. But nowadays he's not replying to me. Maybe he hates me now. I will need to figure that out. So yeah, any cool idea, any cool suggestion, let's do it. I mean, let's try it. I don't know how much we can do, but we can try for sure. That's for sure. Depression. Okay, so I will start with making some models, I guess. Of course, MongoDB model is the best I can make. So we have a to-do list. Ah, wait, what is this? Convert to issue. Oh, oh, that's very nice. What is this tip button? You are helping support content creators. What? What is that? Manage Brave ads, create account. That's a weird thing, man. Why is Brave doing that? I wonder about that. Ah, that's weird. Wait, this repository is private. Oh, wait, this is not open source, my bad. So we have a message from Mr. F. Let's see what he is saying. New next Discord project, and we have a comment. Oh, Bharat. Let me just open myself. I cannot really read it. I really hope it is not someone roasting me. That will be very nice if this is not a roast. But oh wait, this live stream is quite instant. How do I check the comment, by the way? Wait, there are 2,000 comments. What? Oh, I'm popular, man. Shit, shit, I'm popular. What? All right, everybody. I think I have my business plan now. I'm a YouTuber. Fuck programming. Anyways, how do I check those comments? Play with effect on a shorts. I mean, this thumbnail have a girl on it, so that is a bit more. But this thing also have a girl on it. I don't know why I'm getting distracted. So let's see the comments. I have 2,000 comments, man. That's popular, all right. But how do I see them? How do I see those comments? Maybe they're for review. I wanna see more of your buns. What? But where is that? Okay, so it was. So guys, I think I should never forget my roots. I will focus on programming. Sup, dude? Yo, GDev, what is up? Um, Let me check something real quick. I forgot one thing. All right. Okay, so something went wrong. Let's reload. By the way, what should we make? And let's get back to the dashboard. Oh, by the way, GDev, did you try MongoDB now? Because I already did my part. I made the video. I mean, it was not very good, but it was something. Okay, so we need a cool idea. Then we make a bot or website or whatever on it. Sell it, become billionaire. Wait, how do I type billionaire? I don't really know that. But I hope you will understand my feeling. What is going on? I am working with Mr. P on something very cool. And right now we are designing a landing page. I think the design might be complete. So let me ask him what to do next. What to do next, by the way. Let's see. Let me go to my GitHub as well to see if he invited himself or not. I mean, accepted the request or not. Okay, there we go. There we go, beautiful. So I have assigned it to two people. That is me and one more human called the P. Let's get back to the chat. Website, cool. Website is mostly just, you know, just website. It will be a single page, which will be like, we do this. Are you interested? And input your email. I mean, we might replace it to something like Discord ID. We will need to look into that. Damn, Figma and VSC, it's extension. What's that? Let me check. Figma in VSC. Dude, the thing is, everything is in VSC. So I should just search it whenever I'm trying something, right? Figma for VSC. What the fuck, man? Inspect design. That's That's very bad. I mean, that's very good, but it's very bad. Maybe we should make the site now. Okay. So, course bot dash website repo. Let me make it. Oh, wait, by the way, I just realized something. I didn't made him an admin or something. He's just a member right now. Let me edit that. How do I do that? That's not what I was supposed to do. One collaborator have direct access. How do I edit the role he have? One member selected. Remove access. Type all. I think collaborator means you have all the permissions, probably. Right? This is very interesting. I hope it means that. I will make the new repository now. /new. Oh, sorry. And put that as the name. His name good, by the way. For repo. Oh, by the way, courses with K. My bad. I am not that good, man. Site bot for site is just for a waitlist section so people can apply for the bot we are making. And I mean, what do you mean you are not that good? Please clarify. All right. So we have GitHub now. Let me just invite. How do I invite? Collaborator. The P. Invite, add the P to the repository. Amazing. And then what we using? We can change the anytime. What we using for site, by the way? HTML or React? All right. We have 3 concurrent viewers, and totally I'm not one of them. Totally. Anyways, let's focus on this thing. So how does this work? Receive and respond to new commands, discuss layout designs. Okay, so we have a Figma section. Oh, I need to log in. Okay. Open that. Open Figma for VS Code. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So something is happening. We have a notification. He made me an editor. That's beautiful. Why did you open that damn thing? You are asking my email for work with you, right? Do you mean on that website? I think it is more like, are you interested in inviting this bot or using this bot? Okay, give us your email. We will notify you when you can. It is something like that. Unless I understood wrong. But accept the Figma dev mode. Accept it, man. What do you mean? I accept anything you will ask me to accept, Mr. Figma. Just command. Dark theme. Next. Next. All right. Now let me open this untitled. Something is happening, guys. Something is happening. I really hope I'm opening the right thing, but let's see. Hacks. Never mind. Oh, okay. Never mind that. Maybe HTML. All right. Now, first of all, what's this? Property suggestion. Get line by line property suggestion like variable colors and dimensions as you type. This is so good, man. I want to cry right now, but I don't have that much tears in my eyes. Wait a second. Don't tell me that I can copy code. Please, no, man. Copy. Okay, that's a bit bad. I can copy as PNG or SVG. Ooh, we have a width. We have a style. Fine. Can I cry now? We have some colors. We have some properties. This is a bit too good for me, man. Can I die already? How do I die, man? Ellipse. Oh my goodness. So good. It is oh man, everything is code, brother. We can just copy and steal it. We don't even need to worry about anything. This is so good, man. I want to die right now. Let's do something like uh, the email input. We have a layout, blah blah blah. We go there. We have everything, man. This is so good. This is so good. Are you trying to connect with? Yeah, this is so nice, man. I mean, it is already connected, but it's this is so good. When can I choose that? Oh man. Oh man. Rectangle one. Hmm, nice. Should we make the bot and site in same repo or different? Invited you in course bot dash. All right. All right. Okay. By the way, should we do? Wait, can I host? Can we host static HTML on Verso? Most likely we can, right? Let me ask him. We can host HTML page on Verso, right? HTML. I think we can, most likely. I have never done it, so just wanted to confirm. Perfect. Because Versal is the best option, I will say. I mean, personally, I don't know if it is actually the best or not, but sounds perfect for me. Let me close that. Oh, I don't want to open any here. Okay. So now, as you guys can probably see, I have Figma, who cares? I have Discord, who cares? Oh, it is Karthike. Nice. Let me close that. We don't need two Karthikes. All right. So after that, let's start with some models. So firstly, I will need a user model. I will call it user model.js. And I want you to open it up in this section. Then I will do model user dash course bot. After that, first of all, we will need the Discord ID, of course. Then we will need their timestamp, when were they created in the database. After that, what do we need? Let's think about it. First of all, we will need to know the courses they have purchased. How do I do that? By the way, let me ask that. I will make an object called payment, and then it will have something called PayPal that will be a string, and similarly it will have a thing called Stripe. Then I will also add a thing called preferred. I don't really know how to spell that, so I will need to Google search it. Control B, enter. Preferred. Okay, preferred. It will be a string as well. Sounds good. We have payment, we have PayPal, we have Stripe, we have preferred, ID, payments, created at. What else do we need? We need to know the courses they have purchased. So instead, I will make a model called purchase model.js. MOD, enter. We don't need that part. So purchase will have a ID. It will have the user who purchased it. It will have the course ID, and it will have the price and created at. Rather, it should be purchased at, right? That will be more appropriate. So we have purchased at as well. Now, what else can we need? I don't know. I will just copy paste this and I will call this one course model, because we need one for course as well. Course. So we will have, oh, course bot course. Nice, nice, nice. So first of all, we will have the ID of the course. We will have the creator of the course. And then we will have the price. Price should be a number, not a string. Am I dumb? I guess I am. Prices will be in dollars, of course. It will be created at, and we need last updated at, course created price. Then we need an title, a description. What else can I need? Let's think about it. We need a ID, we need a title, we need a name, description. We might also have an image. It can be a video as well, obviously. Um, okay, I have a better idea. I will make a property. I will call it name. This will be the name of the course, right? We have the creator. We don't need that. We have a price. We have this. After that, I will make a property called embed. In this, we will do the embed design. We will have title, description, image. I will give them ability to add color, thumbnail. Do we need to give them anything else? Think about it. Think about it. Do we give them the ability for fields? Nope. We can give them for footer, and it can be footer text and icon. We can give them the ability for author as well while we are at it. So I will just do author, name, and icon. I don't really think I need to give them any else. I can give them a URL option. No, let's don't give them URL. That's not nice. Okay, so that is that. After that, we need a page model as well. So I will rename it to page.js. Sorry, it should be page model.js. My bad. So it will be, first of all, we need an ID, we need a name. Do we need a creator? Let's keep it. We need a course. By the way, I might also add an option called admins, right? These will be the people who have some authority over the course, like they can edit stuff, blah blah blah. It can be something we do in future, but it's good to have. Default will be an empty array. Man, this will be a waste if this thing doesn't go well, but who cares? Created at last updated, we have the embed setting, and I will also have a content option if they want it. After that, let's see, we have embed, we have content, we have codes, we have creator, we have name, we have ID. Now we might need to choose something like next. Next, how do we actually connect the pages? That's a good question. So it can be a linear thing, like in the map they can have something like page number 1 goes to 2, that goes to 3, that goes to 4, etc. Or we can have something like user have an option to choose. X will go to 5, then to 6, or X will go to 4, then 5, then 6. How do we add if conditions now? Or it will be multiple buttons. So instead, we can give them the ability to have buttons, right? Then buttons are what we need. Wait a second, man, I'm getting way too many ideas. I want to die already. So embed can actually be an array of that stuff. And default is this, easy. I'll do the same for that. Now, for the button, we need a label. We need a style that will be a number. We need a label, we need a style. Then we need to know the page it is supposed to open. It can be a quiz as well. It is pretty much just the ID. So I will call it value. All right. So we have a label, we have a style, we have a value. Do we need anything else? We don't need anything else. So I think this should be a good model for page. This way they can define everything here. They can choose the buttons, they can choose the flow, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So models are done. I will make a commit, git commit -m, repeat model row git push. Alright. I'm feeling very professional. Amazing. Now after that, touch topics as well as course dot code. Amazing. All right. So as you guys can see, we have models. Not the best thing, but not bad either. Okay. How do I open Figma? Let's wait for it. There we go. Let's see if we have any changes. We have this. 404, no changes found. 404, no push found. Interesting. Yo, UNF6, what is up? 123 subscribers. That's a nice number. 123. Anyways, let's see what is happening here. What? Code gen plugins. So Figma have code generation plugins. That's very nice. So can I just copy the whole code somehow? That will be very nice. All right. Anyways, let's see what should we do next. So I pretty much have models now. We need a model for waitlist as well, don't we? So we need something like waitlist.js. It will be a model for course bot. Waitlist ID. Do we need an ID? Why not? Let's just have it. We don't need it. We have dash ID, all right. So we need the user property. It can be an email. It can be a Discord user ID. Who cares? Then we can have a created at. It will be a number. Then we will have a thing called rank. Easy. Now I will start with installing Fastify. And then I will start with copy pasting some code. So first of all, I will go here, source, index. I will copy the imports for Fastify, easy as something, copy, paste. How do I copy paste? I forgot. There we go. I think I can put that there. Bang. All right. After that, I need to copy the utility folder. Let me copy that real quick. It is called handler.js. Nice. After that, I will just copy a simple template. Copy, Control K W, source router slash, what should I call it? Waitlist. JS paste. Oh, it is not. That's very unfortunate. Let me make a file instead. Waitlist.js paste. Let's remove all of that. All of this. Easy. I will keep the random ID. I don't need anything else, so I will remove all of that. And let's see. So we have a simple router here as well. We have waitlist model. We have that. Let me just copy this part. Nah, let's not do that. So first of all, we will have a post request for creating a new waitlist entry. Let me just verify one thing, guys. Give me a second. Okay. What verification? All right, let me unmute myself. Let's So we have const data as opposed to this. Let me just do data dot trend and bam, amazing. By the way, okay, HTML part will be done by Mr. P, so that is fine. Verification खत्म नहीं हुआ अभी तक. जब स्क्रीन कैप्चर हाइड किया था तब बोला था वेरिफिकेशन. Oh, yeah, verification was done. I just forgot to unhide the screen share. My apologies. That was actually my bad. Very bad of me. Let's just see. We don't really need the random ID. So we can create a user like this. Then we will have something like get a user. And this time user will be request dot params. If user doesn't exist, blah blah blah. Otherwise await find one. Data, if data does not exist, it will be 404. User not found. Otherwise, what we're going to do is we're going to just return data. So what do we need to return? We need to return user ID. I will just do data.toJSON. Who cares? Data.toJSON. Easy. So ठीक ठीक तुम करो, मैं चला पढ़ाई लिखाई करने, अदरवाइज मैं कल के एग्जाम में. सही. ओके ब्रदर, ओके ब्रदर. Good luck with your exam, man. Good luck. What exam, by the way? 10th, 12th? Alright, anyways. User can get, user can update. Do we need something like leave wait list? Why not? It is easy to add. I will just do something like copy this, paste, router.delete. No user property. It should be user not found. And after that, await find one. Oh, sorry, that was fine. No user property. Well, that is kind of unnecessary, right? There is no way that that's a possibility. Let me remove that if check. My bad. So await, find one, and delete. If not, user not found. Otherwise, delete it. Okay. HTTP status code for record deleted successfully. Let me do that real quick. Status code for record deleted successfully. All right, let's see. Mm, 204 code meaning. 202. Oh, I guess 204 sounds good to me. 204. Amazing. We have a message. Oh, that is cool. So we have successful responses. Request succeeded. Okay, 201 means created. 202 means accepted, but that doesn't mean it is done. 203 means I don't know. 204 means it is done, but no response to give. Reset content and partial content, multi-status. Already reported, I am used. I guess 204 is the best one so far. Otherwise, I will just need to do. Or I might just do 200. I guess 204 is fine. If somebody complains about it, I will change it to 200. It's fine. Okay. What status code to use? Delete HTTP request success. This is such a dumb thing to do. Okay, done. Nice. Making a random bot course bot. My eyes. Oh, your eyes. Read up my comment. Which comment? I have a doubt. Like if you should save in string because user ID is too big to be stored as a number. All right. Because number is very big now. Like, look at this, right? Click of user ID. So if I start node and I will say let ID is equals to this, and if you console log the ID, you will see that last digits are changed to 0 because there is a damn limit. So yeah, this will not work. Instead, if you do something like this, it works. You know, this thing happened to me. Long ago I used number and I was doing something like, I think it was a guild model, right? So whenever I tried to save the information, it saved it as 00. Whenever I tried to find it, it was finding it with this whole thing. So it was unable to find the document. So lot of errors, man. It was a pain. Just use string. Oh, we have a lot of hundreds. That's good to see. All right, so waitlist section is pretty much done. I will just do git add dot git commit dash m feed waitlist git push origin. So I will say that is good progress for now. Let's see how Mr. P is doing. How's it going? Let's go back to Figma. There it is. All right. So in Figma right now, I am the only one, so he's probably doing the HTML stuff. I don't really like two course bots. That's very dumb. Anyways, let's open our GitHub to see if he committed anything. GitHub, course bot. Oh wait, course bot dash website. No commit yet. Hmm. Hmm. Let me close these extra tabs. I don't have good RAM. What should I do, front end or back end? For now, back end is done by the way for waitlist part. Check with them. Where should we host it by the way? Where host? That is a good question. Where do we host? Oh, I forgot to like this. My bad. My apologies. Got it. Yes, sir. Which plus first. I don't think Vercel will allow that. उससे कहो दोनों कर ले हम वॉच करते हैं स्ट्रीम के अंदर स्ट्रीम उससे कहो दोनों कर ले, हम वॉच करते हैं स्ट्रीम के अंदर स्ट्रीम, लाइक वर्सेस सपोर्ट। ओके, if it works it works. um, okay, I really wonder if he will like to stream. I am not very sure about if he will like to stream. Do you wanna screen share? Oh wait, he can hear me, so pop.io. Interesting. Okay, let's see the pricing first of all. Something is something. Free tier sounds good enough. Looks good. The real time cloud. That's very nice. It's actually nice. Roadmap. They have a roadmap. Nice. Three for one project. Nope. Three for n projects. Here n is equals to number of accounts. I think you don't know how I have survived since 2020. I have spent $0 in programming. Except I recently purchased a domain, otherwise I have spent $0. And of course I spend money on internet, but otherwise I've spent $0 since 2020. I mean, that's not really a good thing, but it is something, man. I've spent $0. That's quite fun. That's quite a cheap thing, but my bad. That's the best I can do right now. Oh, I can like. Why are these guys so good? Oh, the number doesn't save because I'm not logged in probably. My screen went for dinner. So I guess that's a no. No streaming for us. Oops. Okay. Let me close these extra tabs. I want to watch this anime, but I will not. I want to watch this video as well. This is so painful. I want to do some math as well. Uh, I want to die as well, man. This is so fun. This is so good. All right. So I think pretty much we have good enough information in the course bot. We have a waitlist section done. That's perfect. Now I guess I can work on the Discord command side. Owner, I will make a waitlist.js. This is painful. All right. So in the waitlist command, let me open my to-do list real quick. GitHub/Karthik/kbot. Not the website down. All right. So if we go to the issues, totally a professional, a cool thing to do. So we have a message. Anime name. Anime name. I started watching this like few hours ago. So that's full-time magister. I don't know if it is good or bad. I am watching one anime daily, so I just, you know what I do? I just go to anime.2. I go to the homepage, I click on random, and then I will see which looks nice, which image looks nice. So so for an image to look nice, there are few things to have. Like either it can have a nice, beautiful girl there, or it can have a nice, cool-looking thing as well, like this one. This looks like a nice, interesting story from 1990s. So I'm a bit interested in it. I'm also interested in this thing as well because there is a girl inside it. But this is a spatial section, so I don't really watch spatial parts. That's dumb. So I will just randomly click on this multiple times until I find something nice like school life. That sounds interesting, but nope. Let's see, this is also a no. I mean, I can watch Naruto, but I've already watched it, so it's useless. This page have few interesting ones. So like I will like to watch this anime now. So I already have a to watch anime. All right, thanks a lot for helping me increase it. मुझे ये सस लग रहा है. Am I? I have a brother. I'm reading the manga of that thing. You don't. I regained my, what is it, addiction in last few weeks. Let me show you my manga list if I still have it. Actually, I resetted my laptop, so I lost half of my mangas. I think I am the strongest manga here. Okay, I think I don't have it anymore. Thanks a lot for reminding me. Manga free on. That was a nice. छोड़ दो पीसी बंद करो भागो addiction नहीं XD. Addiction brother, I am dead. I am working on. Oh, that's good. Meanwhile, I wrap up bot site for waitlist. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, let's find out which chapter I am at. Let's see. Chapter number. Probably somewhere here. Click to hide your IP. I have seen it already. Yeah, man. I don't think I should watch this. Let me close it. Okay. All right. All right. So let's see. In the Discord bot, I need to view the wait list. I need to have the ability to edit the wait list. All right. That's very doable. Let's do it. So first of all, command waitlist manage the bot waitlist, and then I will have a slash command option. First of all, the first option is view. So we need to view the stuff. Now view the waitlist. Required is no, it should be an option. After that, we are done. So what the fuck? I hate animes. Why? Why do you hate anime? Order for the what should I call it? The order list required, not at all. After that, we have offset, skip, number of entries to skip. It is also not required. Nice, amazing. We have a message. Let's check it out. We have a hum. That's very interesting. All right. So first of all, I need to get some variables. Let's get them. Const view is view is equals to, sorry, order is equals to that. Nice. Then we have to skip const. What is it called? List is equals to a wait list dot find dot sort rank. It is rank, right? Rank order. Otherwise, it will be -1. This will be otherwise 0. Dot skip, and then dot lean. Amazing. Why some commands aren't being added? Discord hates you. September 11 से 12 दिसंबर सेट 11 से यहाँ और तब से फ्रेंड लिस्ट में मेरे को ओल्ड फ्रेंड का बोलना है बट विष्णु is a old member but you are also an old member. Why do you not have the old friend role? That's very interesting. I wonder why you don't have it. Wait, you have it. Hmm. Make some cool product. मैं offline रहता हूँ. Maybe that's why. The issue is there are many people in the Discord server who are like 10 times older than me. My account is like since 23 January 2022. And then my second account, this is also like 2023 15 May. So I am a very new member in this Discord server. I don't know why. Maybe it is cartoonish, that's why. I don't know. But by the way, this website is quite fun. Yes, a few days ago I was watching Shinchan on it. Oh man, I am actually dying. That's very sad. But let's see. So we have this. Continue watching. How do I view all? There it is. I've watched the Shinchan movie, if I'm not wrong. As you can see, I am watching a lot of animes. Don't mind that. Shinchan. Yeah, see, I watched this one, Crayon Shinchan, Unko Kusai Ambition, something like that, right? It was a nice, and I also watched this Arashi wo Yobu something. Shinchan. Very fun. Alright, so where was I? So we are able to get. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. If option is equals to view, that is. Yeah. God save me. What does that mean? Probably. Is this an anime? Um, Probably not. Chapters and that's all. Well, my apologies. AOC, AOD, ITF. Okay, I know that. Inverse trigonometry functions. TF trigonometry functions. Differentiation, integration, continuity. Yeah. LP. LP. I wonder what is that. Well, linear something. Linear programming. Oh yeah, I remember that. LR. Let's see what is LR. LR. Vector algebra. Okay. Linear programming. Programming. That's nice. AOC. AOC. What is AOC in math? Army Endurance Corps. Oh, so you are also joining Army. That's nice. Application of calculus. Interesting. I don't know what that means. AOD. So AOD is application of derivatives. Okay, that's something I can understand a bit. R and F, I guess, relation and functions. M and D, matrix and determinant. Okay, that's nice. Right now, I am also doing NCRT class 12th math. So let me see where I am. I actually have a PDF of that thing. What is that? Study, that's not it. Learning. Local list F. I don't have it here as well. What the fuck? Ah, there it is. Class 12, Math, Index. I am done with chapter 1, chapter 2, kind of, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, almost. So soon I will actually start this chapter, hopefully. And then, where are the remaining chapters? I wonder about that. Integrals, no idea. Integrals application, I don't know what is that. I don't know what is this. Vector algebra, I think I did this thing in past. Three-dimensional geometry, this sounds easy. Linear programming, this is 5 pages, so probably it is easy, I don't know. Probability, it should be easy, man. At least it was in 10th. I'm a bio student, brother. I don't know much about math. I'm a bio student. Because this year I am going to do my 12th once more, but with maths. So I need to do maths. Technically, kind of yes, but no. So the more impressive. Yes, I don't know what RIZ means, but yes. All right, so yeah, the moral of the story is I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, so it's been like 6 months and I have already only done 6 chapters. My pace is quite slow, that's for sure. Uh, no, NIS is sexy, but you do know. NIS National, that board is quite nice. I didn't knew about it initially. I found out about that board like last month. No, I found out about it this month maybe. If I knew about it earlier, I would have used that. So what I'm doing in UP board is I applied for an exam. So I selected a subject called math. Then I selected my language as English. Then I applied for it. Now, if actually I know a teacher who is in Sarkari school, so he said, "Give me the information, I will get you in." So hopefully I am in. And if he actually accepted the application, like I don't really have a proof like you are inside the UP Congress, but I have verbal proof that I'm inside. So if he actually accepted the list, or I should say the application, then next year I should get a math exam, and if I pass it, I should have a 12th degree of maths. And if that works, then I can apply for BTech. And my PCB, that 12th was in ISC, so I am not sure if it will even work, but I don't know, man. There might be colleges who will just reject directly. I don't know, man. Who knows? Who cares? Forever programmer, no math needed. Anyways, let's actually Oh yeah, I was making a Discord bot. Why am I thinking about serious things? Am I dumb? Alright. So after view, we need the ability to edit. Then edit a wait list entry. Now it will be an option. So what power do I give them? They have the power to actually, let's think about it. They have the power to input the user you want to edit. It will be required, of course. And after that, they input the rank, the new rank of the user. TS नहीं सीखी अभी तक. CE, I think, yeah, I know TypeScript here. That, let's define rank and user as well. So we need to define rank. Then I need to define user. Let me remove all of this. Get string. Procrastination करते हो बस तुम. Yeah, that is also true. Yeah, that's also true. Let's see. So we have this. Now option is equals to edit. Then we do that. All right. So first of all, if somebody is trying to view, then we need to create the list. वैसे स्ट्रीम पे सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ. That's a bit sad to know. Well, that is also good to know because I at least have one person who watches me better than no one. Totally. This is so painful. Depression. Help. All right. Now after that, I need to just interaction reply. It will be edit reply. Then color can be. Let's set title. क्या मतलब मेरे दिमाग में evil plan आ रहा है कि तब बंद कर दूं? No, my only viewer is about to leave me. Very tragic. List. Wait list. Color can be random. Set description. Yes, sir. What should I do in the description? This looks good. Map. B.join. We have a message from Mr. P. Gotta go for dinner. Oh, and damn, you are in hostel. यूपी बोर्ड अलाउ करते हैं पीसीबी होने के बाद में अलग से पढ़ना. That's new. It is like there is a thing called खंड परीक्षा. So what happens is I give a khand pariksha. Khand means one unit. So I just need to give a unit exam. And then they will say this guy finished this exam in our school. Congratulations. I don't really know if this thing is acknowledged by exams, but I hope it is. If it isn't, I don't know what to do. It will be too late if it isn't. So that's very hilarious. Anyways, so we have this slash dollar v dot. Now I will also add a footer here in which I will just tell the information like what is the order, blah blah blah. Oh, by the way, I think I can leave the call now because Mr. P is in the hostel. Bye, good night. Oh no no no. Private chats. तुम हिंदी मीडियम में हो कि इंग्लिश में? ISC बोर्ड इंग्लिश मीडियम. Yes sir. Yes sir, English medium. Yo, I am Asdeck. Do you remember me? Can you add me back, please? Prashant Kumar suggested GDev to watch Dragon Ball. That's a nice suggestion. I have never watched it myself, but okay. Now, as that. I don't. Okay, I think this is as that. So I will say lunar client. I remember that word, lunar client. Probably. hmm, Man, I'm getting more and more confused. Okay, so I let me write it down. I did 12th PCB in ISC. Now I am doing 12th math in UP Board. A single exam which gives math certificate, or at least that's what I am told. Simple. Well, let's see. Typified random list of separate text. Sort is dollar order. One. Yes. Sending. It's descending. After that, we have skip. That is skip. And we have total. Blah blah blah. क्या एज है भाई आपकी? 18. Coders Planet. Jarvis. Coders Planet. Oh, no. Interesting. Anyways, we have this. We have edit. Should I add an add entry as well? Let me think. So if I'm actually editing something, what I have to do is, first of all, await wait list dot update many, and we have to update anything whose rank is greater than or equals to the rank, and we need to increase their rank by 1, right? And before all of that, I need to do const user data is equals to wait list of find 1 user, not user data. I'm just going to give them an error. कितना बड़ा है आपका? Please be a bit more specific. Like, I wish there was an anti-spam bot, but I hope you will delete the spam. Anyways, meanwhile, I will finish my text. Interaction edit reply. So color will be red. आपका दिल. Bal is very small because I got a haircut last month. Don't set title. In the title, I can say something like user not found. That's what she said. Well, I guess then you need to improve your measurements. Probably. Anyways, so we are finding the user. If user is not found, we're giving them an error. If that's not the case, then we are doing a wait list dot update 1. So it will be user, and the user's rank will be the rank. Simple. मेरे को क्यों टैग लग रहा है कि तुम वही जिसको मैंने बैन मारा था? Well, sounds like we have someone big, powerful, something. Anyways, edit reply, color will be green. Set title on the check mark. Check mark. Rank updated. Dot set description. User will be, let's see what user rank is that. Simple as fuck. Alright. Arrogance by contacts. Ooh, is for contacts. Crazy. Alright, so waitlist command is most likely done. And while we are at it, I will just add a command called add. add a waitlist entry and it will only take the user. Should I take the rank as well? Probably. I can make it not required. I forgot how to delete all commands in each guild. Client command, sorry, application. Guild. What's that? Alright, so I will not add the rank option. I think I can, that's fine. What will I do after that? View, edit. Just copy paste this. If user data exists, I will say user already exists. Otherwise, I will update many, da, da, da. And then I will do const user rank is equals to type of rank is number, then we are going to do rank. Otherwise, it will be a wait list dot count documents. And what if I use dot delete? Sounds painful. Log step. And then we have a request to delete a dot 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 dot. Who is a dot 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 dot? That's very interesting. Oh, this is quite nice now. Is dead. We don't have anyone like that. Alright, I guess we will soon have more messages, so let's wait for them. Meanwhile, let's think about it. If I have 10 documents, rank should be +1. Obviously. Now I will do this. This will be that. And this time it will be dot create. So I don't need these two. And I need to do this. Bam. My name is Aztec, bruh. What the hell? What do you want me to tell? Alright. So I think this part is done. Let me test these things out real quick. npm I boom bam. For each guild, then probably not just use dot set. Easy. Why do painful things when you don't have to? Anyways, let's do waitlist view. Oh, realized it just now. So we will need to add something like no entries. I can't believe that first test was a failure. That's not a good start, but alright. Nice. Then I will do waitlist, add Shishui rank. Let's don't give any rank. Then I will do waitlist view. The add command didn't work. Why? Ooh, my bad. It should be $GT. How can I mess up something like that? It is not even real, man. Waitlist add user rank doesn't need it. So rank is null. Waitlist view. Rank is 1 here. But why did it say that rank is null? Oh, I'm supposed to show the user rank. My bad. Let me edit that. Let's add few more people in the waitlist, like Hitachi. And then I can add Sasuke. And then I can add Aztec. and then I will do slash wait list view. Why is your voice quality so low? Probably I'm not very sure. I didn't notice, bro. And the order is descending. Okay, let's try. Okay, let me fix few things real quick. So first of all, we have a order property, right? I will add some choices here, like ascending value will be 1. Then we will have descending value will be DESC. Order -1. Let's see how this goes. Didn't work. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to ascend it. Nice. And I will like the default to be ascending. Of course, let's try skip as well. I want to skip the first 2. Beautiful. I don't need to show the total. I just realized that. Yes. So now actually let's try to edit information. All right. Wait list edit. Wait list edit. So I would like to edit Sasuke to rank 1. So I will do slash rank. Sorry, wait list view. Let's see how it goes. So Sasuke is 1. User is 2. Itachi is 3. Aztec is 5. That's not really right. Right. Let's think about it. So we need to make sure that the rank is greater than this, but at the same time, it is also less than the current user's rank. Right. So their rank should be greater than that, but it should be less than their rank. That's why it will be decreased. Alright. So it will be $LT. Should I do LTE? Let me think about it. Just LT is fine. And here I can do user data dot rank. So from now on, this will not cause such trouble. All right. So I want to use dot delete. How can we do something like making channels without audit logging? That is not possible. Discord doesn't allow. Community on. Hmm. I I I don't use it. I don't. Soja and good night. All right. I'm streaming since 2 hours. Okay. I guess the waitlist command part is done. Let me just commit that real quick. Git commit beat waitlist Discord origin. We are done. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully soon. And